Good morning, I'm Ms. Johnson and I'm your new educational technologist.
And I'm Ms. Bosa, your new information specialist.
And welcome to the next chapter of the Lion News.
So what do you think, Ms. Johnson? Should we start with the pledge?
I think that's an excellent idea.
Please stand for the pledge. Hands over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Come to the library to find out more about Hispanic Heritage Month. There is books on display to support the culture, we have fun decorations, and we also have really cool bookmarks. Listen to this week's announcements very carefully as we will be given trivia questions and hopefully you have the correct answer. If you have the correct answer and are chosen, you will be asked to come to the library for a very cool surprise.
We are excited to kick off the VES Lion News. Are you a creative thinker? Do you love taking photos and recording videos? Interested in learning to edit and create videos? How about reporting the news on camera or conducting an interview? If any of these sound fun and interesting to you, join us. Complete and turn in your referral form to Ms. Bosa or Ms. Johnson by September 22nd to be considered.
Happy